Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and also welcome if you are new here. I hope you like what you see and will subscribe for future videos. Today's video is a collaboration with Superlady246, who hails from over the pond in America. I will link her channel below if you want to go and check her out, and be sure to subscribe to her if you're not already. Since we decided to do this collaboration, I've been really looking forward to filming this video, and today I was super excited to come home to a parcel from Superlady. Just to explain the premise of this, what we decided to do was to pick 5 products from the drugstore that the other person could not get in their respective country. So for example, I picked brands that I think are only available in the UK that she would not be able to get hold of, and she picked brands that aren't readily available to me in the UK, and then we parcelled them up and sent them to each other. So the parcel has finally arrived, and as I am so excited to unbox this and see what's been sent. So let's open it up. So we have the box open. I think I'm going to try and not look inside and just reach in and pull some products out and see what we've got. So the first thing is a card from her just saying that she sent me some of her favourites, so let's see what we've got. Okay, the first product is, it's a Bite Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Chutney. I've seen these quite a few times on American YouTubers channels and I've been dying to try one, so I'm super excited. Let's have a look. That is so cute. I love little travel size lipsticks because it takes forever to go through a full size one, so why not have a travel size? I'm trying to pull the lid off and it's a twist top. Of course, because it's a liquid lipstick. So it's a different type of applicator to what I'm used to. Let's have a look. That is such a pretty colour. That is definitely right up my alley, so really looking forward to trying that. Feels like on the back of my hand quite a nice formula as well. Next we have something from Collab, a brand that I love that I can't really get hold of without paying extortionate customs charges, and this is one of their Super Shock shadows. Again, a formula I've been dying to try, and this is such a pretty shade. It is sequin and it looks like it's a coppery sort of rose goldy shade. Let's have a look at this. They're very creamy to the touch. Yeah, that is really nice. That goes on like a more coppery shade. That is so pretty. That is such a nice colour. And next we have, okay, this is a wash, scrub and mask. I did actually get a little sneak peek to this in a recent Ulta haul that Superlady did, and when I seen that she mentioned she was sending it to Europe, I had an inkling it was coming my way and was really excited to try it. I've been on the hunt for a really good face wash, as I am coming to the end of the one that I've got, and this looks really good that it's actually a 3-in-1, so it's a wash, scrub and a mask. I'm just going to take the seal off so I can smell it. That smells so nice. That reminds me of some sweets from when I was younger, but I can't put my finger on what. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that. Pink grapefruit and jojoba? Jojoba? Don't know how you say that, but definitely excited to try this. Next we have an LA Girl matte lipstick. Recently I've been buying so many lipsticks, and so I'm so glad I've got a couple in this package, and this looks like it's a really nice dusky rose nude shade. I don't think I'm going to open this one just yet because I do have quite a few on the go at the moment, so I want to keep this in reserve. But it says it's a flat velvet matte lipstick, and I do really love matte lipsticks, and I've never actually tried anything from the brand LA Girl. Okay, the next thing feels a bit large. From the brand Makeup Revolution. Now we can actually get this in the UK, and I have seen this in a few stores, and it is supposed to be a dupe for the Naked 3, I believe. I don't own Naked 3, and I have actually been wanting to pick this up because I really like the rose gold sort of shades in it, so I'm excited to give this a go. And the final thing in the box is from the brand Clinique, and it is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. And I know that Super Lady does rave about this and says it's really good at taking your makeup off, so I am really looking forward to trying this. I'm currently in the moment using the Rimmel eye makeup remover, which is really good, but I have actually had my eye on this for a while to give it a try. I think you just shake it and then use it, so I'll see what that one is like. So these are all the products that I've received, and as I've just actually picked them up, I've realised that there are 6. We did say 5 products, but she has sent me 6, which was really kind of her, and I am so excited to try them all out. I'm most looking forward to trying the face wash and the Bite Beauty liquid lipstick, and also the Colourpop eyeshadow, because that feels like a really nice creamy formula. So thank you very much for sending me the products. I hope you enjoyed what I sent to you. If you want to check out Super Lady's video of the products that I sent to her, I will leave a link in the description below. Be sure to go and check that out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.